Nature is the world around us that includes plants, animals, mountains, rivers, and the sky. It gives us many resources like clean air, water, and food. Spending time outdoors in nature helps reduce stress and improve our mood. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is essential for life. Protecting natural habitats is important to keep animals and plants safe. Many people enjoy hiking, camping, and watching wildlife as ways to connect with nature. We must take care of nature to ensure a healthy environment for future generations.